How can I turn a spreadsheet into actionable tasks? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Then we'll be taking the details of that spreadsheet in order to create a task in Google Tasks. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor, and we're going to give our workflow a title. This will be Google Sheets to Tasks. And I'm going to click inside the trigger box. I'm going to select my trigger app, which is going to be Google Sheets. And the event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. I'm going to select the spreadsheet that I want our workflow to monitor, which is our chores spreadsheet. It's going to be sheet 1. Click continue. And we'll test our trigger. And we have a spreadsheet row in our chores spreadsheet. So I'll click continue. For our action, we're going to use Google Tasks. And the event is going to be to create task. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Google account. If you have any trouble or questions about logging into your Google account, check out the blog post in the description. Click continue. The task list that I want to put this task onto will be my tasks. The title I'm going to import from the trigger. So I'm going to click in the box and then come down to our drop-down menu. And the title of this task is Trim the Hedges. Notes describing the task. Clean them up, but don't overdo it. And I'm also going to include the location here. So I'm going to add semicolon, location, the backyard. And the due date will be the start date from our spreadsheet. And we'll click continue, and we'll test our action. And it looks like we have a success. So we can click continue here. We can peek over at Google Tasks, and you can see Trim the Hedges was just added with our notes and the due date. So we can jump back over to the workload editor. I can see there's a green dot in the corner of each of our nodes. So I can activate my workflow. And now whenever I create a new spreadsheet row in that specific spreadsheet, it will take the details of that and import it into a task in Google Tasks. That's how you can use Workload to automate task creation from Google Sheets. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions or ideas for future videos. You should also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content for Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.